Hello everyone, I'm Louis Lin, the CEO of Horizon RFID. Horizon is a company focused in design and manufacture the RFID inlay, tag, tickets, and its related products. I started to be in charge of Horizon RFID since 2008, and it has been 15 years ago. In the past decade, with the whole company's cooperation and our customers' support, we luckily can grow around 20% to 40% every year. In the end of 2023, our total capability per year achieved 6 billion pieces, and we also already deliver more than 23 billion pieces around the world. In the whole process, we didn't only enlarge our capability, we also try to improve our product's quality with different material and different equipment. RFID is a market growing in amazing speed. I believe apparel will be still the main user in the coming years. But at the same time, there will be more and more new applications appear in our life, like logistics or healthcare. I believe they will be the next shining stars. How to fit the market's need? We keep trying to minimize the size of the inlay, to enlarge the reading distance, to stabilize the performance. The most important thing is try to allow the product have a larger environmental tolerance, like it could be used in a very low temperature or very high humidity. We are more than happy to share this experience with the industry and try to make everything become better and better. It's my personal honor to serve as the board director in Rain Alliance in the past 2 years. My team and myself proudly promote Rain Alliance in every public event. We also prepare the tour for the board director to visit our members in China and Japan. Horizon and myself also try our best to support or host every event in Asia area. Asia is a very interesting area. Actually, more than 70% of the rain chips are made in Asia. At the same time, more than 50% of the tickets label inlay are made in Asia as well. But Asia is not only playing an important role in supply chain. At the same time, Asia is also a market with a very big potential. I believe under Rain Alliance, this organization, we can work together, be closer. We also can get together and make the sound louder, to make the world hear us, to believe RFID and the rain tag is changing the world. I do enjoy serving Rain RFID Alliance in the past 2 years, and I do look forward the next chance to work together in the coming years. Thank you very much.